All right, so now we have little teal collar girl. She's coming to check out the duck. So the purple and the yellow really are going at it right now. Pink one, she's just kind of figuring out what that is. That's that seesaw back and forth motion. They do that a lot, trying to figure out what something is. I still have them chewing on my ankles over here. Watch out, guys. So everybody likes the bird just fine. Let's see if I can get in there. If I'm in there, then they get my feet. There we go. Hey, hey, hey. Yep, see? My feet are in there, then they get my feet instead. There we go. Come see the bird. Hey, hey. There you go. So they're all at a little bit of a different developmental stage. Different, but everybody's moving. See, the only little pink one's like, okay, I can get this bird too. It's more attention span, I think. I'm busy doing. So everybody is excited about the duck. I'm going to take the duck away now before they eat too many feathers. Those are the girls. Teal, pink, purple, or lilac, and yellow.